Hello guys and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at GoDaddy. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we hop onto the GoDaddy website itself, firstly, what exactly is it? GoDaddy is well known for its internet domain registrar as well as web hosting company. And it also has a platform for website building. Now it's one of the largest and most prominent companies in the domain registration and web hosting industry. GoDaddy provides a range of services beyond just domain registration and hosting, making it a one-stop shop for many individuals and businesses looking to establish and maintain their online presence. Now, let's gain more of a detailed overview. So with the key services of GoDaddy, number one is the domain registration. So GoDaddy is primarily known for its domain registration services. Now, it allows users to purchase and manage domain names for their website. Now, you also have web hosting, so that comes at number two. So it offers a variety of hosting services. And that includes shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and WordPress hosting. So each hosting type is designed to cater to different needs, from small personal blogs to large business websites. Now, as I've mentioned before, it does have a built-in website builder. So if you're just a beginner, then this might be a platform for you to create and build a website on. GoDaddy provides an easy-to-use website builder, and it's called GoDaddy Website Builder. Now, it's designed for users who want to create a website quickly without the need for coding skills or any of the technical skills that's needed to build a website. Now, this builder offers various templates as well as a drag and drop interface. So we'll hop onto the GoDaddy Website Builder later on in the video, and we'll check out what the website is all about as well. On top of this, it does have e-commerce solutions. So for businesses looking to sell products or services online, GoDaddy offers e-commerce solutions integrated with its website builder. Now, it can facilitate online store setups as well as management. Another point to GoDaddy as well is the email hosting and professional email services. So GoDaddy provides or offers professional email services, often using the domain name for a more professional look. So it'll be the name of your business at yourdomain.com. So that would be the sort of look it would have. So if you take, for example, what we have, it's our name at ProfileTree.com. So that's how the email services will go. You also have the SSL certificates. So it does provide SSL certificates, which are crucial for website security and trust, especially for e-commerce websites. And coming in for 7 is the online marketing tools. So it does offer tools and services to assist with online marketing, and that includes SEO services, email marketing, and social media management tools. Now, just to get a little bit more of an understanding for each of the points that has been said, with domain registration, so these are the GoDaddy's core services. Since it is the leading domain registrar, it does offer a vast array of domain extensions. That being said, it's .com, .net, .org, .xyz, and plenty more. So they provide an easy-to-use search tool for finding and purchasing domain names, along with domain management tools for things like transfers as well as renewals. Now, you may be wondering about the hosting that I mentioned earlier on as well. So we'll go through the several types of web hosting services that they have to offer. So as mentioned before, they do have shared hosting. So I would say that this is suitable for small websites or beginners. It's very cost effective, and you can use it where multiple websites share the same server resources. Now, the next one was VPS hosting, and VPS offers more control and dedicated resources compared to shared hosting. And this is ideal for websites with moderate traffic. Now, VPS is the acronym for Virtual Private Server. So that's just something to note as well. So the other hosting services that was mentioned as well was the dedicated hosting. Now, this provides a server exclusively for one website only, offering maximum control and resources. Now, these are best for high traffic and resource intensive websites. Now, the last one there is WordPress hosting. So specifically optimized for WordPress websites with features like one-click installations as well as automatic updates. Now, I did mention about the website builder itself, so also known as the GoDaddy website builder. Now, I did say that it does have that drag and drop feature, so that is one of the functionalities of it. So since it is a drag and drop website builder, it's designed to help users create their own websites, again, without any of the coding knowledge. And I would say that it is particularly user-friendly, especially for the beginners. You do have the several different templates that you can use as well, so it does offer a variety of customizable templates suited for different types of websites. And these are business sites, portfolios, and personal blogs, and plenty more. Now, you do also have mobile responsiveness, so templates and designs are responsive, meaning they automatically adjust to look good on both desktop and mobile screens. You also have the e-commerce integration. So the builder includes tools for creating and managing an online store, making it easy to sell products and services online. And what I do particularly like about the website builder itself is it does offer SEO and marketing tools. So it does provide the basic SEO features to help improve the visibility of the website on search engines. It also offers marketing tools like email marketing integration. You do also have email hosting and professional email services as mentioned as well. So again, that was the domain name that I was on about, which is your name at, an example was ProfileTree.com. So that pretty much sums up everything to do with GoDaddy. I would say the advantages of GoDaddy itself is the fact that it has brand recognition. You can trust it since it is one of the largest domain registrars and it is a well-known and trusted brand. It does have several diverse services to offer, so since it offers a wide range of services, that makes it more convenient for users to manage their online presence in one place. On top of that, it is also very user-friendly, so both its domain management and website building tools are designed for ease of use. What's great about it as well is you do have customer support, so it provides 24/7 customer support, which is beneficial for troubleshooting and assistance. Disadvantage of using GoDaddy is the pricing and upselling. So GoDaddy's pricing structure can be a bit higher compared to some of its competitors. So if you take a look at the likes of Wix or Squarespace or Shopify, Weebly, you will notice that the prices is a little lower compared to GoDaddy, which is a little bit higher. Now, the company is also known for its aggressive upselling tactics, so that might put you off as well. Now, there is mixed reviews on performance when using GoDaddy. So many users find GoDaddy's hosting reliable, but some people have reported issues with site speed and uptime. So it really all depends to how you want to view the actual hosting provider itself, whether it's going to be good or whether it's going to be bad. So it does come down to personal preference as well as trial and error. So that is pretty much everything that you need to know about GoDaddy. So the last thing really to do is just to hop onto the GoDaddy website itself and check out the different features it has to offer, as well as the website builder itself. So here we have GoDaddy itself. You can see that it does quite a bit of promotions, but what I want to look into first before we take a look at anything else is the overall pricing plan. So we'll go ahead and hop onto the pricing plan here now. So these are pretty much the pricing plans that you'll see with the GoDaddy website itself. So there's domain auctions as well as a domain broker service. So there's a couple of options there, as you can see. Now, in terms of websites, you'll be able to see that you can build a website builder for as low as £6.99, but it's best to check out the plans that they offer so you have an overall understanding on some of the plans that they have. So at the minute, they have 4 plans, one being basic, other being standard, next one being premium, and the next one being e-commerce. So their lowest is £6.99. You could see that that's per month. If you do an annual payment, it's £83.88. And the features for the basic one is website security SSL. You have a custom domain connection. You got the on-the-go editing, 24/7 support, guidance and analytics, as well as the social media and email marketing, with social media platforms being 1, social posts and responses being 5, email marketing, which is 100. So it does have a couple of options there. There's the online appointments, so one-time appointment, and e-commerce, which is none. That is to be expected with the basic. I would say that this is only used for personal websites or even used for portfolio sites. So I wouldn't expect to use basic just for the fact that it is not really feature rich. The next one up is standard, and that's £8.99, so it's £2 more than your basic. You have everything that you need for features, including SEO. SEO, I would say, is the most important feature to have for your website, purely for the fact that if you want your website to rank, the only way to do it is through SEO, and that's search engine optimization. You can even see it through here if I click on the question mark. So this is get found on Google and other search engines with help from a built-in website optimizer. So if you don't have that, you'll not really be found as easily. And that is the disadvantage of the basic plan. So differences between this one is, yes, it has search engine optimization compared to the basic, which doesn't have one. Social media platforms, you can add 3. Social posts and responses, you have 20. Email marketing sends, you have 500. Along with a welcome email and appointment confirmation. You don't have any order email automations, and you don't have the online appointments as well. So you don't have all of them. So you only have the one-time appointments, no reoccurring appointments, payments and appointments, one-time group events, and email and text appointment reminders. Next one up is the premium plan, and that's £11.99. You could sort of start to see where the prices are. It is a little bit higher compared to some of the competitors, as mentioned. So with this one, you have all the different features that you need, and you also have all the social media and email marketing, as you can see, apart from the order email automations. So that's something that's not included. But the other thing is you've got unlimited media platforms, you have unlimited social posts and responses, and you've also got 25,000 email marketing sends. So quite a high number if you take a look at that. So you have all the online appointments, which is great to see. However, another downfall, no e-commerce. So 3 of these plans have no e-commerce at all. That's when the e-commerce plan kicks in. So if you pay another £1, you have access to e-commerce for £12.99. If you pay that for the entire year, it's £155.88. So it is very expensive for what you're getting. However, you do have all the features, you got all the social media, including the order email automation, since it is e-commerce. Not much wiggle room change on the email marketing sends, it's still 25,000. And for the online appointments, you could see everything is ticked as well. And for the e-commerce, everything is ticked as well. So product listing, flexible payments, you've got flexible shipping options, discount and promotional features as well. So that is something to take a note of when you are picking a plan for the website builder. Now, going back, you also have an option there, not just for the GoDaddy website builder, but to have a manage WordPress. So if you're doing an integration with WordPress itself, you've got 3 different options here. One being a manage WordPress basic, one being the manage WordPress deluxe, and one being the manage WordPress ultimate. The manage WordPress basic, it's offering you $3.99 per month. That's £47.88 for the entire year, and that's one website, 10 GB of NVMe storage, AI creation tool, unmetered bandwidth, free domain, free SSL, WordPress pre-installed, weekly backups, web application firewall, daily malware scans, and one-time malware removal. Manage WordPress Deluxe has pretty much all the same specs, apart from the fact that you have up to 2 times faster performance with global Cloudflare CDN, and then you have enhanced security with DDoS protection and staging site. Again, the last one there is Manage WordPress Ultimate. Same thing applies, and the thing that you're getting is a WordPress code optimizer, smart WordPress plugin manager, and sell online with WooCommerce. So that's e-commerce platform. These 2 that you see here are just the basic sites. So that is something to, again, take a note of when you are going for a WordPress hosting website. So that is 2 of the options that you have there, which is to either go for a GoDaddy website builder or hop onto a managed WordPress, or you can go for a managed WordPress e-commerce hosting. So several different options there, as you can see, in order to build a website. Now, for the domains, you could see that you can search up a domain that you want. Just simply type the domain. So we'll just do ProfileTree for the meantime, just to give an example. And this will then try to find the domain for us. So you can see that the domain name has been taken and it's 51.99. And if we see more, you can see that you get the dedicated domain broker. So what there is, okay, yes, you have org, info, life, and store, and that's £11.33. So if you buy all of these, you're only paying £11.33. So that's the other options that we're getting. There's other ones there as well, like ProfileTree.co, ProfileTree.sucks, ProfileTree.app, ProfileTree.world, ProfileTree.club, ProfileTree.shop, ProfileTree.vip. So several different other domain names that is available at the minute that has ProfileTree, apart from ProfileTree.com. So that is one thing to note. You can also use start with AI domain search. So this is ideal if you aren't really sure about what you want. So we'll just do a prompt. Let's just say web development, and then that'll search a domain name for you. So you can see there's Code Boost, Innovate Web, Pixel Perfection, Webmasters, Innovate Web. So it gives you a couple of options. I would say the Webmasters are online there. So 2,592, quite a bit of money for the first year. So wouldn't recommend to go for that one. But there's InnovateWeb.online, 93p for the first year. And you've got pixelperfection.online, 93p for the first year. So several different options when you are picking a domain name. It even has AI integration, which is great as well. So that is pretty much it for what GoDaddy generally has to offer. You can see it offers domain names, it can offer email and marketing, it offers websites and hosting and domains. Last thing to really check out is the website builder itself. So easy enough to do, just go ahead and sign in to your account or sign up. So we'll go ahead and log into our account now. So if you want to try out the website builder itself, it is free to sign up. So you can actually just start for free if you need to. So we'll just go ahead and do that now. So start for free. And this should directly take us to a couple of questions that we need to answer. So what are some of the features your website needs? So we can sell with an online store, we can book appointments or something else. So if we just select something else and continue based off that, it'll ask you what kind of website you like. So we'll just say we do web development or web design. So that's perfect. We'll actually just do web design and then we'll continue on from here. Now, what should we call your website? So we're just going to name it ProfileTree. Just like so. And then we're just going to hit continue. So this will now build a website for us. So you could technically say that it's an AI website builder purely for the fact that we're creating a website now with no coding skills at all. So here you are. Here's a nice basic website that it's created for us. So it's ProfileTree. Very simple, very simplistic. We have a couple of pages here. So we have our home page and we have a privacy policy. And on top of that, you can add more pages if you need to. So you can either add new page, link to external website, or a drop-down menu. So if we say about, we could just have an about us page, just like so, and then we can create that page very, very easily, and it'll show up on our screen. Now it's saying that the page is empty. Very simple to modify again. You could just select add section, and you've got quite a few options in terms of design sections. So you've got the audio and video here, you've got some commerce stuff, and just quite a few options. So let's just say if we search about, we can have more of an about section. So highlight services or team members. We can feature content with images, as you could see. Useful to showcase images with descriptions, display images that link to more info. So it has quite a bit of designed sections that you can use already. So if we just say that I want to add team members on this, so that'll add the section. Okay, and you have these green little buttons above and below where you can add more sections if need be. So you could just select add section, and then again, if we just say about, and then we can add more if we need to. So let's just say that, okay, I want to go ahead and add another one, which is a feature content with smaller images. So as simple as adding that section in. Now you may be wondering how you would actually change the overall layout, and that is easy enough. Just select the section that you want, and you can see that you have a layout button there. Just click on that. We'll just wait for this to load. So there's a couple of layouts that you can go for. Just select this, and then you can see that there's the layout there. You can align some of the items in there as well, and on top of it you could change the theme colors. So that is pretty good for what it is. It's a very simple, very easy to use website builder. There's not much else to it. You can change images, you can change some certain areas as well. The only thing is, it's more, yes, it is kind of a drag and drop builder, but you're more or less dragging and dropping sections more than anything. You can't really move certain areas or elements from this. You can't even add elements itself, but you're more adding the, so if I just go ahead and demonstrate this, you can see I can move sections down, and then I can add things to it if I wanted to as well. So it's more or less just duplicating and improving a section, but you're not really adding anything else to it, and that's with the elements that I've mentioned. Again, if you have made a mistake, you could just go ahead and delete this, just like so. But it is overall just a simple, basic website builder, and you're able and capable to create a website through this. So I would recommend it. If you are just starting off, then I would say that this is a great website builder to use, especially if you're a beginner and you don't really want to get too technical into the website builder itself, then this would be the one to use. But if you're not really wanting to create a website from GoDaddy itself, then you do have the option as well to choose some of the templates. So they have some pretty nice pre-built templates, as you can see, and you can also preview some of these sites. So I would say that these sites are fairly modern for how they look, and they are responsive in design as well. Now, not only is it responsive for desktop, but it also is responsive for the mobile, as you can see. So plenty of different choices from the entire website. So you can see that there's 20 other templates that I can view. As well as this, I can go ahead and filter out a specific business type. So fashion and beauty, home services, health and fitness, online store. You've got photography, art design, restaurants and food, music, real estate, and so on. So again, several different options when you are choosing a website for your business. So it is simple. You could just go ahead and select preview site. You could just have a look through it as well. So see how you like the website itself, and if you're happy enough, you can go ahead and start with this template. Again, trial it out, see how you like the website builder itself. And you do get a mobile responsive design as well, so that's how that looks, as you can see. So pretty straightforward and simple as well for a website builder that can provide an e-commerce platform. But guys, that is pretty much it for GoDaddy. That is everything that you would need to know about it. We went through the different hosting that it provides, the fact that it has WordPress integration as well, and it has its own website builder. Feel free to check it out, see what you think about it, see if you can even buy your own domain as well from it. It is a very nice platform or website to use. Guys, hopefully you found the video helpful. If you did, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.